To change date and time on Redmi A5, all you simply have to do is first go into the settings. From here you will have to scroll all the way down and go into System, and next go into Date and Time. And right here you have these date and time settings, but they are grayed out, so you simply have to disable to set time automatically. You have to disable this option, and now you can set up the date and time manually. So let's select some random date and time actually, and as we have it, as you can see now, the hour just changed right here, and also the date changed too. And as we go actually into the calendar application, let me just quickly show you. As we go into the calendar, we will be able to actually see the current date, which is March 6th. And this is not actually the current date obviously, but as you can see it is working. We have successfully changed our date and time.